and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed and finessed this gorgeous honey blonde curly unit that I'm wearing today. This unit is in collaboration with Unice hair. I'll leave all the information for this wig also in my description bar down below, so if you are interested in purchasing, all the information will be listed. So this is a blonde highlighted wig. The hair roots came a bit on the light brown side, but I went in with my Revlon dye. This is in brown black. I'm also going to be showing you how I finesse my baby hairs as usual. Today I just did a minimalistic amount of baby hairs today. It's laid, and you guys, this wig is like everything. It's giving me vacation vibes, which I'm loving. This unit is everything vacation vibes. It's a must-have, and this wig is affordable as well. You can't go wrong with this unit. So if you are interested to see how I installed and finessed this 13x4 curly highlighted wig, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the installation process. So the wig that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with Unice hair. This is their Bet You series. This is their honey blonde highlighted unit in 20 inches. Inside of the box along with the wig, I received some goodies. I received this pair of stocking cap. I also received this rat tail comb, some cute pair of earrings, and some eyelashes. So a bit about the cap construction of this wig. This wig is a 13x4 lace frontal honey blonde unit in the density of 150%. This hair came pre-plucked, and as you can see, it was pre-bleached. So inside of the wig, this wig has two combs on each side, one to the back, and it also came with adjustable straps so you can adjust it to your particular liking. So I went ahead to dye the roots a bit darker, and you will see in the next clip. So let's jump right into the installation process of this honey blonde highlighted unit. So to begin the installation process of this wig, I'm first going to be working on my ball cap method. So I'm going to be taking my Got To Be Ultra Glued styling gel to lay my hair. I'm be using this tan stocking cap to create my ball cap method today. So I'm going to cut some small holes around my ear area. So I am just going to work on cutting the hole as small as possible so I could actually prevent the stocking cap from ripping a lot. So when I'm done with that, I am going to be using my Boldhold glue today to actually lay the stocking cap down. So then I'm going to blow dry that. I'm going in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Cream palette, and this is in medium. So I'm just going to be tinting my stocking cap using my Black Radiance Cream Contour palette in the shade medium to dark. So after I finish tinting my stocking cap with my concealer, I'm just gonna cut off the extra stocking cap to the front portion. So I'm just going to work on that. This is the wig. This color is super gorgeous. Check out the curls on. And I pre-plucked it a bit, so this is how the hair looks. And this is the color on the unit. So I might do a side part, who knows. What I'm gonna do, I'm just going to clip the portion of hair back before I start to cut off the extra lace around my ear tabs. So this wig fit perfectly on my head, so I really didn't have to cut off much lace around my ear area. So I'm just cutting off the extra lace, as you guys could see, and I'm just gonna position it where I'm going to lay this wig. So I'm just gonna cut down the lace into 4 smaller sections before I go in to glue the hair down. Okay, so after cutting it down in 4 sections, I'm going back in with my contour palette just to tint the knot.
So I'm just going to be using my same contour palette from Black Radiance to tint the lace before I apply it onto my head, and then I'm just going to set that with my blast free spray and go over that with my blow dryer. So I'm just positioning the wig where I'm going to lay it today. So after I have that done, I'm going in with my rubbing alcohol to clean off any sort of extra makeup before I go in with my Boldhold Active glue. So I'm just going to tint the stocking cap a bit more before I go in to do my install. So I'm just going to mark out where I'm going to lay the glue today. So I'm using this light concealer so I could actually see where I'm going to put the glue. Today I'm going to be doing 2 layers of my Boldhold glue for extra security. So I'm going in with the first layer of the glue, and after I finish applying the first layer, I'm going to blend that out with the end of my razor comb. After I have everything blended out the way I want to, I'm going in with my blow dryer and I'm just going to repeat the same process. So after the glue is tacky, I'm just going to pull the lace onto the glue, and I'm just going to be taking my time. What I like to do, I like to pull the lace a little bit in front of the glue. So if I have any lace that is lifting, I would just go over it with a bit more glue instead of have to clean off the extra glue, which would be a hassle. So I'm just working on finessing laying my baby hair, and I'm just taking my rat tail comb just to push the lace into the glue a bit more. So now I'm going to be taking my Got To Be blast free spray just to put it on the front portion of my lace,
just to set the hair a bit before I actually go in and start to cut off the.
So once I finish applying my Got To Be blast free spray, what I like to do, I like to comb that out before I go in with my blow dryer, so it wouldn't be too hard when I'm ready to work on cutting off the extra lace. So I'm just going to cut off the extra lace by using my razor comb. So I'm just going to work on that until the lace is cut off and it's to my liking. And as you guys can see, like, what lace, like this lace melted perfectly and it matched so well with my skin complexion, and I had no complaints. This lace was really soft compared to other companies that I've worked with. So it's definitely 10 out of 10 for this lace, you guys. Like, look at that. Like, what lace. So after I finish cutting off the extra lace to the front portion, and if any lace is lifting, I like to go back over with a bit of my Boldhold Active glue and the end of my rat tail comb just to put that in certain areas.
I'm just gonna go ahead and set on my hair for a bit so that it can sit up a little more. Okay, it's melted.
The melt was on point with this lace frontal. So I'm just gonna clean off any sort of extra glue with my rubbing alcohol before I begin to start to work on my baby hairs. But so far, you guys, this lace was everything and it melted perfectly. So again, this parting space is a 13 by 4, so you don't really have much parting space to the side area, but I'm just gonna work with what I have. So I'm just going to part out some hair to begin to create my baby hair. So I'm just going to be doing a minimalistic amount of baby hairs today. I'm going in with my Got To Be Ultra Glued Styling Gel to lay my baby hairs today, and that was all I used to create my baby hairs. So I'm just going to work on finessing my baby hairs until I get them to the way I want it. So I'm just going to continue to finesse my baby hairs, and I'm going to use my blow dryer just to set everything in place, and then I'm going back over with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray. So I'm just going to continue to do my baby hairs, you guys. So I'm just going to work on that and let you guys watch to see how I do my baby hairs using my Got To Be Ultra Glued.
So I'm just using my gel.
So I'm just going to be taking my Ultra Glue gel just to lay my parting space a bit before I go over that with my ISO hairspray. I like to use my ISO hairspray sometimes as a substitute when I'm not really in the mood to use wax stick, because it actually gets the job done just as a wax stick. So I'm just going to work on that until I have my hair the way I want it.
Sometimes if you don't want to use wax stick or any sort of wax, you can use your spray to get your wig as flat as possible, and it works for me and it gives my hair a shine, which I love. You guys can see how flat this is.
So after I finish working on my baby hairs, the last thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using my Lotta Body foaming mousse just to define the curls on this wig a little bit more, and then I went over that with a bit of water and conditioner, but I'm taking more of the foaming mousse to lay that to the top portion. So that concludes the installation process of this honey blonde wig that I received from Unice Hair, and I am in love.
So you guys, this is the end result of my install of my 20-inch 13x4 highlighted curly blonde unit that I got from Amazon. This density on this wig is 150% density, and the parting space is a 13x4. So this unit retails for $243.96 on Amazon. I'll leave all the information for this wig in my description bar down below. So some pros on this unit, you guys: the lace was really soft and the lace melted perfectly. Like, it matched my skin complexion so well. I went ahead to bleach the knot on this wig after I finished adding my darker roots, because this root came with light brown, a bit brown, honey brown roots, but it didn't look good on me, so I just decided to just color the roots a bit darker. So this is how the roots on the wig look. I love it as is. This wig is definitely giving me vacation vibe. The highlight is just impeccable, definitely the highlights for me, and the curls is like a jerry curly kind of texture, which I'm loving. It gets a bit thicker, which I love. I love hair that has volume, like gives you volume. Like, this wig is everything. I love how I did the ombre roots as well. Like, this wig, 10 out of 10. All the information for this wig will be in my description bar down below if you are interested in purchasing this unit from Unice Hair, their honey blonde highlighted wig. And you know, this color wig is trending right now, so you need to get your hands on one of this unit. And when I tell you that this lace, like, this is one of the softest lace I have received. Like, this lace was soft and it melted perfectly. Like, I'm not gonna lie with that. I had minimal to little shredding because I did pluck the hair a little bit more, and I did wash it before I install it, but that was basically it. I don't really have any complaints with this unit. Minimal shredding, it's soft, the lace was really nice. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to purchase one of these units. They have them in shorter length and they also have them in longer length, so whichever works best for you. So until next time, see you in my next video, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do.